Welcome to Top Best Picks. Dealing with the pain and discomfort of teeth grinding, also known as bruxism. In this article, we'll help you choose the right anti-grinding teeth protector for your needs. Materials. The materials used in the protector should be soft and flexible to provide a comfortable fit while sleeping. Look for a custom fit option for the best results. Effectiveness. Consider the level of protection the protector offers. It should help to absorb the force of grinding and clenching, reducing tooth damage and jaw pain. Comfort is key when wearing an anti-grinding teeth protector. It should be comfortable to wear during sleep and not disrupt sleep quality. Now let's take a look at the best anti-grinding teeth protectors we choose for you. Number 5. The Neomen Mouthguards are super soft and can be customized to fit any mouth shape without being tight and bulky. They are perfect for teeth grinding, teeth whitening tray, or a sports mouth guard. The night guard set includes 4 mouth guards with 2 premium designs in different sizes, making them suitable for children, teens, and adults. They are versatile and can serve multiple purposes. These mouth guards are made of safe materials, easy to clean, and come with a high-quality BPA-free case. You can use them with confidence and assurance of safety. What we like. Neomen mouth guards are super soft and customizable, suitable for children, teens, and adults. Not only are they perfect for teeth grinding, but they also serve as a teeth whitening tray or a sports mouth guard. If you are looking for a multi-purpose, customizable mouth guard suitable for all ages, you should consider this. What people say. Making the mold was easy. I used a store-bought food thermometer to make sure temp was right, dipped for the time indicated in directions, then dipped for about 1 second in a bowl of room temp water to get the hot water out of the mold so it did not get on my teeth. I only had to do this once and it worked great. The rubber is springy and cushions very well. I had no issues sleeping in it or getting used to it. You can still speak with it in, and it comes with a case. Good fit. Works as expected. I did not do it right the first attempt but dipped in hot water and did it again to get a nice fit. I gave them 4 stars because I would have liked to see a harder outer surface where my butt-tom teeth hit it. Number 4. Don't let grinding ruin your sleep. These dental guards offer up to 48 uses, providing ultimate comfort and protection. Say goodbye to clenching and grinding with these patented bite plates. They absorb the pressure and promote peaceful sleep. No need to worry about sizing. These guards are designed to fit both upper and lower teeth, ensuring a comfortable fit for everyone. No need for boiling, cutting, or molding. These guards are ready to wear as soon as you receive them, providing immediate protection. Rest easy knowing these guards are BPA-free and hygienic. Plus, they can be used for up to 3 days, providing peace of mind and convenience. What we like. Plackers Grind No More Night Guard offers 16 disposable dental guards with up to 48 uses. It provides ultimate comfort with a one-size-fits-all design for upper or lower teeth. If you are looking for a ready-to-wear, disposable night guard that offers ultimate comfort and convenience, you should consider this. What people say. With 48 uses per guard, it promotes peaceful sleep. Its one-size-fits-all design is superb and it comes with 16 disposable dental guards. Each guard lasts up to 3 days, which is hygienic. The patented clench-absorbing plates are effective. No boiling, cutting or molding is required and it's made of BPA-free material. Such an easy solution to a big problem. This night guard offers excellent comfort and is ready to wear right out of the packet. It feels like a tiny velvet cushion for your teeth, eliminating the need for molding. However, the one-size-fits-all claim may not fit everyone's teeth. Despite this, it's a quality product that protects your teeth while you sleep. Number 3, our night guard is made of a durable and soft material, providing comfort and safety for users. The multi-use design allows for versatility in functions, including teeth grinding, athletic mouth guard and teething white. The easy-to-do process takes less than 10 minutes to create a perfect fit mouth guard. Each night guard comes with a retainer case to keep the guards in great condition. What we like. Dental night guard for teeth grinding is made of soft, comfortable and safe material, with an ultra-comfort design. It is adaptable to fit a wide variety of functions, including teeth grinding, athletic mouth guard and teeth whitening. If you like a soft, comfortable, multifunctional mouth guard that is easy to mold and customize, you should consider this. What people say. This mouthguard works well. The instructions are simple and I was easily able to form it as desired, even reheating it when necessary to get just the right fit. This product worked great for my teeth grinding issues, and I'm also pleasantly surprised that it has alleviated my snoring, says spouse. It's very comfortable. It was easy to mold. Overall, I'm very satisfied. It works very well, and the only problem I have found is have to make certain you put them in before you go to bed. It adjusts to the size of your teeth, or at least it did mine. It keeps my teeth much healthier so I do not grind them when sleeping. It's pretty comfortable and very effective. A+. Number 2, get a custom dental night guard that fits your teeth perfectly, providing protection against teeth grinding and clenching. Choose from 4 different guards based on your degree of bruxism, ensuring you get the best one for your needs. Save time and money by buying directly from a dental lab, avoiding the high costs of getting a similar guard from your dentist. Enjoy a 100% satisfaction guarantee and have all shipping costs covered to adjust your mouth guard until it is perfect. What we like. EnCore Guards offers a custom dental night guard mouth guard for protection against teeth grinding, clenching, bruxism and TMJ relief. With an at-home impression kit and a wide variety of guards to choose from, it provides a custom fit at a cost-effective price. If you are looking for a custom fit, cost-effective mouth guard with the convenience of an at-home impression kit, you should consider this. What people say. My dentist wanted $800 for the exact same thing, same mold process, same send to lab, same options, etc. I recently started using the EnCore Guards night mouth guard, and it has been a complete game changer for my sleep quality and overall oral health. As someone who occasionally grinds their teeth at night, finding a reliable solution was crucial, and I can confidently say that this mouthguard has exceeded my expectations. Number 1, our mouthguard is made of BPA-free thermoplastic EVA materials, ensuring safety and comfort for your teeth and gums. Each mouthguard comes with a convenient case for easy storage and travel, keeping it clean and ready for use. The mouthguard is easy to mold to your teeth, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for any activity. You'll receive a total of 6 mouthguards, 4 for regular protection and 2 for heavy-duty protection, suitable for any situation. We stand behind our product and guarantee customer satisfaction, providing peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. Wifamy mouthguard is made of BPA-free thermoplastic EVA materials and comes with a case. It is perfect for teeth grinding, an athletic dental guard, and teeth whitening tray. If you want a BPA-free, multi-mouthguard set with guaranteed customer satisfaction, you should consider this. What people say. These work very well, having different sizes is nice. The instructions were very easy to follow and didn't take me long to get a good fit. The price is very good for how many you get, which is nice because I eat these things like they were candy and that has nothing to do with their sturdiness, just a testament to my grinding ability, lol. Overall, I highly recommend this product. It was quick, it was easy, and it worked. I have a comfortable, firm, well-fitting night guard. A regular night guard is more firm or rigid, but this one seems as good if not better. My only concern now is how long it will last. Then again, I have 5 more cartridges to work with. I've included a pic of the molded night guard and the storage case. I am happy with this item, and I feel it's worth recommending. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.